In a land where clouds whispered secrets to the wind, a tiny dragon named Flicker was puzzled by his peculiar sneeze. Unlike other dragons who roared with fiery breath, Flicker sneezed bubbles, shimmering, glistening orbs that floated gently away. His rainbow wings fluttered with excitement and a hint of confusion. Determined to unravel the mystery of his bubbly blasts, Flicker set off on an adventure through the enchanted forest. Along the way, he met a wise old owl perched on a twisted oak. "Why do I sneeze bubbles?" Flicker asked, his eyes wide with wonder. The owl chuckled softly and explained, "Your heart is filled with joy and color, so your sneezes reflect that magic." Realizing his uniqueness was a gift, Flicker continued his journey, spreading laughter and bubbles wherever he went. And so, with every sneeze, he painted the world a little brighter, learning that sometimes the most unexpected quirks can